Think about a young woman in your life, your daughter, your sister, your niece. She's at the beach, about to change into her swimsuit, and then she sees it. Blood. Her first period just started. There's no protection in her bag, no backup plan, no time. If she walks back out like this, she risks instant public humiliation. The only option left is to insert a foreign object into her body that she's never used before. Something that looks enormous straight out of the box and comes with warnings about toxic shock syndrome. For most girls, that moment feels like a nightmare, and it's almost universal. When I surveyed 77 females, over 70% of those who have used a tampon described significant fear or discomfort their first time. Many were scared of pain, unsure about depth, or afraid they would insert it incorrectly. What surprised me most came during follow-up interviews. 26% reporting the highest discomfort were sexual assault survivors who found traditional tampon sizes triggering or physically distressing. That revealed not just a product gap, but an underserved market no menstrual company has targeted ever before. Half the population menstruates for roughly 40 years. This has created a global menstrual products industry worth over $24 billion annually. In the United States alone, more than 7 billion tampons are discarded every year, with plastic applicators that can take 500 to 800 years to decompose, contributing over 200,000 tons of waste. So we have a decades-old industry serving billions and producing billions in waste. And yet we still expect young girls to navigate one of the most vulnerable moments of their lives with a product that has barely changed since 1931. I'm Sania Kumar, a high school student from New Jersey, and I started asking one question. If this industry is worth billions, why hasn't the first user experience improved? Introducing SoftLaunch, a slimmer, reusable tampon applicator made from medical-grade silicone designed to last up to 10 years. It's engineered to make first-time tampon use less intimidating while dramatically reducing plastic waste. One SoftLaunch replaces nearly 1,000 disposable tampons, eliminating single-use applicator waste by 100%. Today's tampon industry competes on absorbency levels, natural materials, packaging, and price. Even reusable brands target experienced users. When mapped on a strategy canvas, competition stays centered on product features and women who already know how to use tampons. SoftLaunch cuts through that noise to address the real problem. We eliminate bulky single-use plastic applicators, we reduce intimidation for first-time users, we raise comfort and sustainability, and we create a youth-focused design with a slimmer applicator and optional personalization, making it feel less sterile and more approachable. While existing brands focus on experienced users, opportunity lies in current non-customers. The first tier includes eco-conscious consumers not ready to switch to invasive menstrual cups. The second tier includes teens who avoid tampons because they feel intimidated. And the third tier includes survivors of sexual assault. So this is not a niche market. Every girl experiences her first period and the learning curve of typical menstrual products that comes with it. By converting hesitant non-customers into confident users who continue purchasing refill packs month after month, we expand demand instead of competing over it. SoftLaunch is also built to scale. The starter kit is priced at $18 and includes the reusable applicator and initial cotton refills. After contacting silicone molding manufacturer SpecTech Co., I received an estimated production cost of $6 per unit, creating nearly a 70% gross margin while remaining affordable. About 60% of survey respondents committed to pre-ordering, with the remainder confirming interest, representing $540 in beta revenue before production even begins. Recurring revenue comes from refill subscriptions aligned with customers' monthly cycles. Winning the Blue Ocean Entrepreneurship Competition would allow me to produce approximately 166 starter kits and pursue a proprietary silicone mold, so no girl has to fear that first moment again. Funding would also support beta testing with first-time users and sexual assault survivors before scaling into middle school health programs, pediatric and OBGYN clinics, school nurse offices, and girls' athletic programs. At its core, this isn't just about sustainability or tampons. It's about preventing that nightmare moment, and SoftLaunch does exactly that, not by changing the tampon, but by transforming the first experience. Because every big transition deserves a soft launch.